Imagine creating something so powerful that it changes the way we interact with the world. Something that could rewrite the rules of AI forever. Now, what if I told you that one man in the heart of China dared to do just that? A man whose name is barely known outside tech circles, but whose work is shaking the very foundations of artificial intelligence. How did he rise to this level of AI mastery? And what role did China's government play in making his vision a reality? With me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the name that history won't forget. This is the story of DeepSeek AI and the mastermind behind it. Let's rewind. All started with Liu Xinyuan, a name you might not recognize. Liu wasn't always the AI genius he is today. His early years were filled with frustration. While others were perfecting their AI models in Silicon Valley, Liu was staring at a problem no one had dared to tackle: a truly advanced AI chatbot built entirely within China. China's AI scene was already booming, but there was a catch: most of the leading AI models were either Western creations or heavily restricted. This meant China lacked a fully independent, large-scale AI chatbot. And Liu? He wanted to change that. But here's the twist. It wasn't just about beating ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. It was about something much bigger: making China an AI superpower. But to do that, he needed two things: just AI technology, backing of the Chinese government, the game-changing support from China to DeepSeek AI. This is where things get interesting. Unlike AI pioneers in the West, Liu didn't have to rely on venture capital alone. The Chinese government saw AI as the future of global dominance, and they were willing to pour billions into it. And so, Liu Xinyuan found himself in a once-in-a-lifetime position. His dream of building DeepSeek AI was no longer a distant fantasy. China's top research institutions, government funding, and access to the nation's largest dataset became his weapons. The mission? To create the most advanced AI chatbot ever seen in China. If you had unlimited government support for your dream project, what would you build? Comment below, I'm curious. Liu and his team began designing DeepSeek AI's core technology, and what they built was nothing short of revolutionary. DeepSeek AI's rise and the future of AI. DeepSeek AI wasn't just another chatbot, it was designed to rival the best AI models in the world. Here's what made it unique: massive data training. Unlike previous models, DeepSeek AI had access to China's most extensive dataset, including sources unavailable to Western AI models. State-backed optimization. China's AI regulations meant DeepSeek was trained under strict, hyper-efficient conditions, making it faster and smarter. Multilingual capabilities. While other AI struggled with seamless Mandarin-English translations, DeepSeek mastered it, bridging a major global gap. But here's where things get even crazier. Liu wasn't just building a chatbot. He was laying the groundwork for China's AI-powered future. Imagine this. What if AI no longer needed human input to learn? DeepSeek AI introduced groundbreaking self-improvement algorithms, meaning it could refine itself without human intervention. That's not just impressive, it's terrifying. Now ask yourself, do you think AI should be allowed to evolve on its own? Let me know in the comments. But Liu didn't stop there. After the launch of DeepSeek AI in China, the entire AI industry felt the impact. Tech leaders in the US took notice. Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic scrambled to analyze DeepSeek's capabilities. The world was no longer looking at just ChatGPT, and Gemini. DeepSeek was in the race. He had imagined creating something so powerful that it changes the way we interact with the world. Something that could rewrite the rules of AI forever. Now, what if I told you that one man, in the heart of China, dared to do just that? A man whose name is barely known out's gone from an unknown researcher to one of the most influential AI minds of our time. The lesson from Liu Xinyuan. Liu's story teaches us something powerful. If you want to change the world, you have to be willing to take risks. He didn't have the luxury of working in Silicon Valley. He didn't have the benefit of Western tech giants backing him, but what he did have was a vision. And now, his AI is reshaping the future. So the question is, what will you do with your knowledge? Because in this new world of AI, those who innovate win. And speaking of visionaries, there's another mind that changed history. A man who saw the universe in ways no one else could. His theories shaped the very fabric of reality. And his name? Albert Einstein. Want to learn how Einstein's motivation can help you build a brighter future? Click the video on your screen right now. I'll see you there.